I find the emails that I receive as a member of the RPS very helpful. They keep me informed with clinical updates and upcoming events and issues that I should be aware of. And sometimes they spark an interest in a subject that I'm not familiar with and inspire me to do some CPD.
The thing I find most beneficial from membership is definitely the support, and in particular the MEP. It served me well for 20 years and I continue to use it every day. It's a valuable resource. It's something very, very simple, but in terms of helping me with my day-to-day work, the MEP is very valued.
One thing I find most beneficial for as a member was the ability to share best practice, access information, and also network and have your views shared with your peers as well. I personally benefit from the membership by the ability to be able to access resources, advice, network, the webinar, which is a good opportunity for CPDs as well.
I personally benefit from membership because I use the advisory service a lot. I also consult the Royal Pharmaceutical Society's website. I listen in with great interest to the many webinars that are held on a variety of topics. And I'm also a member of a number of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society's membership groups, the Pharmacy Law and Ethics Association being one of them.
I personally benefit from the membership because it keeps me up to date with what's happening around me, both what's happening today but also what's likely to happen tomorrow, and it prepares me for that occasion.
I use the website a lot, particularly to check up on practice guidance. I receive e-alerts, which are important when there's changes happening. There's a lot happening within the profession and within healthcare, so it's important to keep in touch with those changes and understand how they impact on the colleagues that I work with.
The thing I found most beneficial from my membership is the networking opportunities with other pharmacists, either through the local practice forums or through the early adopter network. It's helped me to feel professionally satisfied in my role and have found it's possible to actually influence what happens at the national level with the pharmacy agenda.
I benefit from my membership because as a PhD student I tend to be quite isolated from the pharmacy world, and being a member can keep me up to date with clinical development and keep me connected to other pharmacists.
I benefit from the membership because I have a sense of belonging to a large group of pharmacists who are all interested in the same thing that I am interested in. That makes my life easier.
I am part of a greater whole that takes us, looks after us, nurtures us, listens to us, and then reflects that back to society as a whole, so that the whole profession has a greater standing, and I just love that.